a D portable shower. Imagine taking a full shower anywhere without needing fixed infrastructure. The AD portable shower makes that possible with a 6,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 3 hours and delivers a water flow of up to 6 liters per minute. Its powerful motor ensures comfortable pressure, while the LED display shows battery level and water temperature in real time. It also features 6 integrated LEDs, turning the device into a multi-mode flashlight. A practical and versatile solution for just $34. KingCamp Hawk Swing Chair. Want to relax like you're in zero gravity while still having full support? The KingCamp Hawk Swing Chair combines the comfort of a hammock with the stability of a chair. Its reinforced frame supports up to 440 pounds, with an adjustable backrest from 90 to 130 degrees. Weighing around 10 pounds, it folds quickly and is easy to carry. All that for about $95. Vevor Folding Campfire Grill. Turning a campfire into a full cooking station has never been easier. The Vevor Folding Campfire Grill combines a traditional grill surface with a solid cooking plate. Built from durable steel, it handles high temperatures and distributes heat evenly. Its smart design prevents small food items from falling through. A simple and effective outdoor cooking solution for just $30. Dokussek Tent Fan. Sleeping in a hot tent can be uncomfortable, but the Dokussek Tent Fan fixes that easily. It works as a fan, flashlight, and power bank all in one. The 7,500 mAh battery delivers between 8 and 36 hours of use, with strong airflow and low noise. It also includes a remote control, timer, and safety system for the blades. A powerful multifunction device for only $27. Anker EverFrost. 2. Keeping food cold without ice is now possible with the Anker EverFrost 2. It maintains temperatures between -4 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit and cools down quickly in minutes. With dual batteries, it can run for up to 4 days without recharging. It can also be powered through outlets, car charging, or solar panels. A high-tech cooling solution for around $800. Princeton Tech Helix Lantern. Lighting up your entire campsite is easier than ever. The Princeton Tech Helix provides 360-degree illumination with adjustable brightness. Its foldable design makes it compact for storage, and the touch-sensitive controls allow quick adjustments. It also features water resistance and multiple lighting modes. A compact yet powerful lighting solution for $54. Outohome Camping Air Conditioner. Extreme heat no longer has to ruin your camping experience. The Outohome Camping Air Conditioner can lower the temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes. It offers efficient energy use and quiet operation, making it ideal for outdoor environments. Its portable design makes it easy to transport and use anywhere. Available for around $350. MRI Edge 2 Trail Camera. Need to monitor your surroundings in remote areas? The MRI Edge 2 is a trail camera with LTE connectivity that works across major US networks. It captures high-resolution images and full HD video, even in low-light conditions. With a detection range of up to 100 feet, it ensures reliable monitoring. A smart solution for about $150. Tiny Pump. Inflating gear has never been easier. Tiny Pump is extremely compact, but delivers powerful airflow of up to 360 liters per minute. It can also help start campfires and includes a built-in flashlight with an SOS mode. A small but highly useful tool for just $28. Flextail. Tiny repeller mosquitoes can ruin any outdoor experience, but the Flextail Tiny Repeller solves that problem. It combines a repellent system and a flashlight in one compact device. Its heating technology activates the repellent quickly, providing effective protection for hours. The battery offers long-lasting performance, while the flashlight includes multiple brightness levels. A practical solution for $44.